gonna be?
Making pumpkins, colorful, multicolored pumpkins. And if you were wondering what an idea of what they could look like is this.
And this is an idea specifically if you don't have the type of paper that we have.
Like this.
We're gonna be showing you that in a second.
Like this.
This is a book of like scrapbooking paper that was given to us by who?
Auntie Sheila!
So thank you, Auntie Sheila.
And it has all this. This.
It has all of those cool Halloween designs, many of which you'll see in our pumpkin designs today.
Yes.
So this right here is an example of what you would do if you don't have this type of paper. But by the way, this paper is available at any of your local like craft stores.
Yeah.
But this you could just do with construction paper where you're just picking some Halloween themes and then writing Happy Halloween and putting a ghost on there, a friendly ghost, or whatever you want. Anything you want.
Yeah, maybe a witch, maybe a moon.
We thought this was a great idea. And there is an element of drawing, which you'll see in when we start the video.
Yeah, I'll go.
You guys ready to get rocking and rolling on this project?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's show everybody what it's all about.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, break.
Oh, wait.
Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, break. 1, 2, 3, break. Yeah, that was better. All right, let's go. All right, so you can see all of the different strips that we have.
Can you?
And you can see also all of these cool little words that were on actually one of the pages. And Mom and Maddie cut them out so that we can pick and choose what words we want to put on our pumpkins, right?
Yeah,
So
I already choose two already.
Maddie's got a couple picked out.
I already got one picked out. I got two picked out.
Candy, please, trick or treat. What are you picking? I want candy and creepy.
And I want a couple.
Dad hasn't decided what he's going to pick yet. I'm going to kind of fly by the seat of my pants. So, the first step... Was that funny?
By the seat of my
All right, cool. So what we did was, before we got on, we took a moment to make pumpkin outlines. So this is, as you saw in the example pumpkin, this is the gist of it is we have the outline, and we're going to lay strips of paper over the top of it. Well, we're going to flip it over first. Lay strips of paper over the top, and then we're going to come back through afterwards and cut it.
Cut it.
It'll be the shape of a pumpkin, and then we'll attach our words to the front of it. So we're going to clear the space, make some room, and get started.
We're going to all snap, and this is all going to be cleaned.
1, 2, 3, cut. All right, so everyone has their words that they might use, or probably more than enough words. We won't probably use all of them, but the ones we like. Then all of us have strips. We all have strips. We all have our pumpkins. So the first step is to flip the pumpkin over.
Oh, God.
Where do those glue sticks go anyways, guys?
Up here. Oh, I got all three.
So we each have a glue stick. And we're going to start by laying strips. Now you can lay strips vertically. You can lay them horizontally. I think Maddie and Landon might go with... Are you guys going with horizontal?
I'm going with this, like this way.
You're going with vertical. Okay.
Which way are you going?
I don't know. I think if you guys both go vertical, I'm going to go horizontal just to try and see what the difference is. I think you guys should both go vertical because I think it might look better that way. I'm not sure.
Okay. I'm going to first go with pumpkins and this. Then
So I guess now would be the time to kind of lay it out and see what kind of a...
Yeah. I'm going to start with this ghost one.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue these down, okay?
Yeah.
And then afterwards we'll cut them out. If you feel like this isn't working good enough, we do have big Elmer's glue. If you want to use that. Okay, let's get gluing, everybody.
Let's get gluing.
Try to avoid getting it on the table. How about that? Okay.
Okay. Wait. So wait.
Actually, the thing to do might be to glue the paper. Put the glue on the paper. You don't really need the glue outside of the pumpkin, do you?
No.
So if you want to just
Glue your pumpkin.
like that, that's kind of a good way to do it. the next step of the video is to turn this over. You know, we have a nice
Hey, Daddy,
smooth outline of
Daddy, our pumpkin has hair.
it does.
It has beard hair and yours has side hair.
So everybody get ready to cut right along the edge of the pumpkin. Obviously, you just get it close. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, nobody's seen any pumpkins yet.
No.
So on your mark, get set, go! Cool. Look at these pumpkins. They're so
I
neat.
really like the stem. Oh.
We gotta find that.
Well, we're gonna cover it anyway.
Yeah, well, I might not. I might not cover mine. So do you want to cover yours? Because if you don't, we'll just find a piece of this to put over it.
Daddy, I love this.
Came out good, didn't it? I think I'm gonna leave my stem like that. I think it's kind of cool. But it wouldn't hurt for at least one of us to do like a brown stem or something.
I'm not gonna change mine.
Okay. What do you want to do? Do you want to do purple or entirely brown stem? Feel free to do
I'm gonna do
whatever.
brown.
You're gonna do brown? Okay. So we'll need to get a brown piece of construction paper. All right, cool. So we're ready to place our words on. You guys ready to glue words?
Yep. Yes. I'll take this one.
So lay them out, see what looks good, see what fits, see what doesn't. Some of these might, see the Halloween gang's just a little big. It's a little big, so I might not be able to go with it.
Or it can go like that.
Could go diagonally, yeah.
I like it. The Halloween.
Part of me doesn't, I don't know if I want something that big on there. Part of me wants to keep it small. Like,
I could think. Oh yeah, I want all four. Definitely.
that looks awesome.
I wanted to.
Yours looks good too. You want one
You know
more?
what? All you.
I'm gonna look for shorter ones because as it turns out, the shorter ones work better. I think.
Did you just say almost say short?
The shorty ones.
Shorty ones. Dad, what is this? I think this is a good. Scary.
Let's glue, guys. What do you think?
Yep, I'm gonna use the Elmer's glue. You can use glue sticks or Elmer's glue. I just think that just looks bad.
Cool. You guys are awesome.
Oh,
we did a great job. You guys happy?
And we have 5 glue sticks. I'm kind of glad that I did my stem different.
Okay, we'll do the big reveal in a second, but you've got a sneak peek at what this all looks like. So, like you're playing the drums, everybody. Look right into the camera. Look right into the camera. And 1, 2, 3, go.
My hands hurt.
I wonder if that's getting annoying for our viewers to see us do that every time.
Yeah, we should stop.
Maybe switch it up at some point.
Is
but
it?
Is it? Yeah, let us know.
Yeah, is it a sound?
But anyways.
Good response.
Anyways, this is how they came out. We really think they came out quite lovely. You can see.
Can I see us?
Yeah.
It's got a witch and a moon.
Yeah, it's got a witch and a moon. And some spooky sayings.
Please!
Yep.
Candy, please!
It says, I want candy. If you guys want to do something like this,
Please hit the like button if you like Halloween.
you can, and then do that. If you like the video, smash that like button and do what else, Maddie?
Right. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
If you want.
Here's my map to
You can find all of our videos on Craft Kids TV.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
We really should try these. Yeah, you should really make these. They're really cool. At least try them. Try.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Just going down your